In this attack, what's happening is the opponent is coming in with a reverse sewing machine. I'm going to do an X block while redirecting his power, bringing him then into a shoulder lock. As I bring him down into a shoulder lock and I bring him around, I'm going to secure the arm into my chest. At that point in time, I will then begin to pull the opponent down, delivering knees, multiple knees to the head. As I deliver the multiple knees to the head, I am then also going to disarm the opponent. And as the disarm takes place, I will now then begin to deliver the strikes back to the opponent. As I deliver the strikes back to the opponent, I will then begin to push him away, and I will scan the area to make sure there are not multiple attackers and that I am in a safe place.